Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sugar Corey, and if you're new here, you're much welcome. And to those coming back, thank you very much for always popping up in here to support a girl. I really appreciate that. Now in today's video, as you can tell, I just DIY'd a faux wallpaper. Yeah, it's like a fake wallpaper, which I have done just using some leftover paint, a sponge, and a measuring tape. Yeah, so welcome to today's video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And I am going to insert a few pictures of where I drew my inspiration from. Yeah, and then you can tell me how far or how close I came to it, but I obviously interpreted it my own way, but this is what I was aiming for. So thank you very much for tuning in, and let's get into the video as I explain to you how I did it. So here is the wall. It's just a small part, and just want to make it a bit more interesting. Yeah, so essentially I would have needed like masking tape, yeah, to make like the squares for what I want to do. But because I do not have masking tape, I am going to use this tape. Yeah, it's a power tape. Yeah, I'm going to use that, and a pencil and some leftover paint. Yeah, and okay, so I want to use this measuring what's it called, this power tape. I want to use this power tape to measure every 30 centimeters, because I want to make 30 by 30 squares so that I can do the lines in them. Then I'm going to draw them out with a pencil, and I have already tried it out, and it can be erased using a rubber, so that is not going to be a lot of work. What do you think, guys? So far I think it looks really nice and I've really tried. Let me comment myself. Only thing is I know there are like several colors because this is a navy blue or a midnight blue, but I was not going to leave the house to go buy another whole can of paint. You know, we need to stick in our houses as much as we can, and I just wanted to try this fake wallpaper so badly that I just wanted to use what I had. Yeah, so I hope you're liking it so far. Okay guys, I'm done. Here is the faux wallpaper. It was so simple to do. So what I've done, I've used this sponge, which is like a shoulder sponge from a dress, and I was dunking it in the paint. Make sure there is no dripping paint. Then at the corner of each square, for example this square here, you know, I was doing the 3, you know, whatever's. Then move on to the next square, but I make sure to change the direction of the sponge. I'm trying to focus. Yeah, so here's the next square. Change the direction. Next square at the corner, change the direction. Next square, like that in all of them, and this is what I have ended up with, and I like it. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. If you try it, let me know, and I will see you in the next one.